Munchkin off. You're tipping out the ends to make sure you get the ends real good. Get the inner ones point towards the nose, the outer ones point towards the ear. I keep getting my hair because I've already styled it. Usually I have my towel on, but I had my hair done and I thought, you know, I'm going to go do my makeup and I'll just do it on camera. It takes a little longer because I'm talking to you and explaining stuff. Excuse me, but not too much longer because, I mean, you know, I'm putting on what I'm putting on. Just like if I was putting it on, because I am. I was going to do 2 mascaras just in case this didn't work, but this actually looks great. Maybe I'll try the other one tomorrow. Okay, so that's round 1. What was the other one I was going to use? This is Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill. Should I mix them? No. We'll use that tomorrow because I want to see how this one looks. So we will not use that. Alright, round 2, or should I say second coat. And again, really get that outer area real good. The inner one's real good. Then tip it out and add your second layer. Oh, it's very feathery, this brush. So it's actually looking really good. Really good. Okay. Now, that being said, I like to tip out the lower lash last. So let's just tip it out. What you're doing is you're coming across it and then kind of pulling it down. So it's leaving the tips ends very coated. Because I love lower lashes. I think they look very young. I think it's a mistake that I've heard so many YouTubers say don't do your over lashes because it draws the eye down and it makes you look older. No, it doesn't. And if it does draw the eye down, guess what it draws the eye down to? The lash, not your wrinkles. You're going to notice the wrinkles either way, y'all. When you get older, you have wrinkles. Yeah, that looks good. I like that stuff. A little bit of fallout. Not bad. Yeah, that's second coat. That's first coat. Okay. Let's do the second coat over here. Again, get the outer ones real good. Get them real loaded up. And tip the ends again, and then just go through and build them, and build them, and build them. I sound like a workout lady when I'm working you out on your face. Hey, maybe that's the name of a new channel. We'll call it Makeup Workout. And out, and out, and out, and out, and up. Give me 3, give me 2, give me 1, and done. No, because it's too precise. I can't say 3, 2, 1. I'm not really done. I'm not done till I see the separation and the coverage that I want. And I'm going to tip these out. Make sure I've got a lot of coating on them. Tip them out. Y'all, I think this is really good mascara. I hope I can find it again because it doesn't have a name. It's just L'Oreal. And it's black. And because it's waterproof, it's got the blue. And the name is not anywhere on it. What do you make of that? It's just L'Oreal with all the different ones that they have. That's not good. If you're trying to promote something, you got to give it a name so people know how to look for it. I'm having a good bit of crumbing, y'all. But I think that may be because I didn't get my former mascara off well enough. Or either because it's drying and I keep coming through. Trying to get these front lashes a little better coated. And then I have a boo-boo I have to correct. Feel like that's good. Yeah, I actually really like this. Now this is much more feathered looking, and I think it's because of the brush. Again, that's what it looks like. It's just an all black shiny and the word L'Oreal spread out over it. And that's it. There's no tagline, there's no byline. This one's in blue, and the tip has a little blue tip. It's like a glassy bluish covering over the tip to show you that it's waterproof. And I do like it a lot. I like this. Oh, I also wanted to show y'all this cool cup that I got.